Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to tell you about how to fix camera not opening problem in your POCO C61 smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. When you open your camera, every time it crashes, how you can fix? First you have to long press your camera, click on I button. Here it is. First you have to click on storage and cache. Click on clear cache first. Then you have to clear the storage. You have to give all your permission. You can see camera, location, microphone, music and audio, photos and video. You have to give all the permissions. Then you have to click on camera. You have to go to your camera settings. Here it is, restore default settings. You have to click on it and your problem will be solved 100%. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.